Hallelujah! Siete Foods has pulled it off. They managed to make a gluten-free flour tortilla in a burrito size that tastes great and doesn't fall apart. Hey everybody, Tom here with Happy Healthy People, and today we are going to review the Siete Foods gluten-free burrito size flour tortillas. And we're going to make a simple bean and cheese burrito with it. I gotta tell you, when I saw these in the freezer next to their taco-sized counterparts, I got excited and I had to try them. We were already impressed with the smaller versions that we reviewed in a previous video, so I figured that these had to be just as good. Now, unlike the smaller versions, these tortillas have several more ingredients to them, including avocado oil. I'm guessing they did this because they needed it all to make sure the tortilla could stand up to the hot ingredients and make it pliable enough for folding. After you get these home, let them thaw for a couple hours at room temp. Then you can get to making burritos. Now there's a trick to these I found when you're heating them up. The directions read, heat pan or comal over medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes and warm tortillas for 10 to 15 seconds per side. I found this is too much heat and too long of a time to heat on each side. It appears that the high heat causes the tortilla to get crisp. Also, because the tortilla is cold from the fridge and freezer, anything longer than 5 seconds per side and the tortilla sticks to the comal due to condensation. My advice is, if you are going to use a comal to heat these tortillas, keep the heat low or medium low and continue to flip every 5 seconds until heated to your liking. Use a good spatula to flip them, preferably a metal one. As an alternative, I heated them up in the microwave. 10 seconds per side on high heat using a plastic plate. They came out nice and hot. They did not crisp up and the tortilla was still very pliable and didn't stick to the plate. And it even had a butter smell to it. I like this method better. The rest is easy. Just fill the tortillas with a good helping of your favorite refried beans, your cheese, I like the Mexican blend, and maybe a good red or green sauce. Fold the tortilla per the directions on the package and voila! You just made a gluten-free bean and cheese burrito. Siete really got the taste right with this one. Unlike some of the other bigger gluten-free tortillas that sometimes taste like you're eating a sheet of paper, this one is darn close to a regular flour tortilla, and I almost forgot this was gluten-free. It's also by far the biggest gluten-free tortilla on the market at around 12 inches in diameter. This will allow you to make a burrito similar in size to a Burrito Supreme from Taco Bell. What is most impressive is how well it folds into a burrito. This one doesn't fall apart like you would expect it to, being a non-wheat flour tortilla. As long as you keep it from crisping up in the heating process, it's plenty pliable. It might take some practice to get it right, but then so does a regular flour tortilla. And another cool thing about these tortillas, you can even make quesadillas with them. How awesome is that? Now these are by no means cheap. These tortillas were $9.99 for a package of 6 at the time of recording this video. Eating gluten-free is not cheap to begin with when you're finding substitutes for your favorite foods. These tortillas are worth it as long as you don't eat them all in one sitting. If you were told to stay off the gluten like I was by Dr. Wallach or Dr. Gluten, or your doctor, or you're intolerant to gluten due to celiac or other issues, these tortillas are well worth the purchase. My diet has always been pizza and burritos, so now I get to enjoy burritos again due to Siete Foods. And if you miss having a good burrito, now you can enjoy them again too. So thank you all for watching, and if you guys need a good red sauce recipe, I recommend checking out this video here, or if you want to see our review of other gluten-free flour tortillas, check out this video here, and we'll see you next time.